You need to be sharing this with your friends. We're talking about proactive driving. In the urban driving environments, the driver's visual search pattern should be quick and focused, closer to the vehicle due to overabundance of nearby potential hazards. We're talking about kids, we're talking about cars, we're talking about pedestrians. Defensive drivers also eliminate or try to greatly reduce any potential distractions, your cell phone, passengers, before you drive. Tell your friends, hey, I'm trying to drive. I'm trying to protect us. I'm trying to get us to downtown Detroit. I'm trying to get us to downtown Houston, Texas. I'm trying to get us to downtown Los Angeles, California. You as a driver owe it to your passengers. You need to think of, I'm in charge of the car. I got to make sure we're safe. I got to tell my friend, be quiet, turn down the radio. I don't want to see the cat video. I'm focusing on driving. That's your number one responsibility. Thank you for the thumbs up. Your responsibility is to ensure safe travels. If your friends are too loud, tell them, knock it off.